Hi, today I'm going to show you some really basic ideas of how to use Gumball Math. This first page shows you the basic idea of what most of the pages will look like. It has a gumball machine with different colors of gumballs and then an addition problem that you can make out of that. So here you could ask your students to either click a text box and put the correct problem into here, such as, in this case, it would be 4 plus 2. So 4, and then 2 is 6. And then you can keep going, or you could also have the students write by clicking on the pen and do 4 plus 2 is 6, if that makes sense. This next page is a good idea of how you can make some subtraction problems with the same thing. This says that there's 5 gumballs, and then she gave 3 gumballs to Madison. So you would do 5 minus 3 is 2. And then keep moving. The next page is my favorite, this one. It's a great idea to teach kids the basics about graphing, so they can count, like, there's 3 red dots, and you could either have them fill it in with colors, or you could just go 1, 2, 3, and then orange is 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Yellow, there are 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Green, there's 4. 2, 3, 4. And then there's again 4 blues. And then purple, which has 6. Oop. Should figure that out. And then you can write in like, oh, well, see, there's 3 reds. Or 4 oranges. Ugh, it doesn't like to make the number 4. And then you can either write the color purple here, or I think it's easier to go like this and change the color of your pen to purple, and then just go like that. As long as you remember to change it back for the next page, because you're going to have to write on that as well. This page is again another addition of 6 plus 3 is 9. And it's the same basic idea. You write 6 plus 3 is 9. Slightly hard to do on a touch mouse. And here's where I really like it. You can actually write your own problems. So by clicking on the mouse, you can click here and write your own subtraction problem. So I could do, if Emily, oh, I moved the box on accident. If Emily has 5 gumballs and wants to give 3 away, how many are left? And you can also let the kids write their own problems here, and then you actually, I don't know why it's going over there, can click and drag the 5 gumballs from down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if that makes sense. The next problem is, I think, really cool. This one's just like you have to count, is a good counting for kids so they can start to like figure out colors as well as numbers, and then it's a different kind of graphing. So like, what does it start with? Red. There's 1, 2, 3 reds. So you would click on the pen, normal pen, sorry, and do 3 red. How many orange are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 oranges. And you can continue on and let the kids do that. And this one is where they gave you the basic template to make an addition problem. So if you have 5 red gumballs and 6 colors are there? Purple. Oh, how many gumballs do you have total? So then you come down here and you can do 5. And again, you just click and drag the color that you want to come up and it'll duplicate it and bring it up for you. I think I said 6. 5 red gumballs. Whoops. Just a good example. You can click on it and just delete it that way. And then 6 purple. And then you can have the students also write in the answers again. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. Where are we? Here's just, again, they have some more basic math problems, which you can do exactly the same way, which is 3 plus 4 equals 5. Or, whoa, not 5, sorry. Equals, I don't know why I can't erase on here, but you can always come over here and click on this button and then hit clear page, and it clears all the marks that you've made so far so that you can start. And then you have 4 plus 3 equals 7. There we go. And here's some subtraction problems. And again, another addition problem, which you would do 5 plus 4 is 9. And I think this is just a really fun way for kids to get to come through, and yes, it's the same math they're always doing, but it makes it more fun and hands-on, and they can come up and touch the gumballs and see exactly what they're doing, and they can make up their own problems, and it makes it fun. And if you really wanted to, you could also give the kids the gumballs to play with at their desks, or you could do this easily in the morning and just leave it up for the kids to figure out their own problems. And I think it's fun for them to get to learn to write their own problems and all of that. So yes, that is how you use the Gumball Math.